Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. $2K HD drone. The enhanced 2K 1080p Full HD camera captures photos with high fidelity, catching every moment of your vacation from a bird's eye perspective. 120-degree wide-angle lens widens your views, and 90-degree adjustable design meets diverse requirements for different shooting purposes. Press the high-speed rotation button on remote. The drone will spin automatically at certain height. Bike GPS computer, engineered with simplicity and convenience at its core. Lightweight chassis with wrapped in a glass-filled ABS and TPU, making it both robust and light. BC-107 has two modes of global positioning: GPS and Beidou, which can provide accurate GPS data all over the world. After power on, it will automatically capture GPS and Beidou signals and automatically calibrate the time. Huawei Band 6 Smartband. Huawei Band 6 has a 1.47-inch AMOLED full-view display. Size of displaying area is 1.48 times 2 larger, and a low-bezel 64% screen-to-body ratio. Combine that with the high-resolution 194x368 display with 282 ppi, and you've got something really impressive to look at on your wrist, or what feels right to you. Choose from 3 different Huawei Band 6 strap colors. USB charger. Simultaneously charge 4 devices at full speed and save up to 1 hour of charging time with Ugreen 100 watts USB-C charger. All ports support quick charge agreement. Only one charger meets all your charging needs. Single USB-C 1 or single USB-C 2 can reach up to 100 watts power for fast charging laptop. Motorcycle Bluetooth intercom. Bluetooth version 5.0. Low battery prompt. IP67 water resistant. Voice assistant. DSP noise reduction upgrade. DIY color. Built-in FM function. Pair with other model. Brand intercom. Type-C charging port. 800 mAh battery. Huawei Dome Camera. Huawei Dome Camera X shines with advanced motion tracking capabilities that stay focused on what you don't want to miss. Viewing in real time has never been more fun. AI-based capabilities can differentiate human and pets from moving objects. Only receive notifications according to your preferences and individual settings in your free Huawei Home app. Keydial mini keyboard. There are 18 programmable keyboard keys and 1 dial controller on Huawei mini Keydial, of which the scissor switch. USB-C interface is applied to Huawei mini Keydial KD100 to enable easier cable connection. Not only can each shortcut key be customized and freely combined, but the same key can be used to set different functions for each application.
Neck massager, high-frequency mute, noise reduction design, 0 to 20 decibels, very quiet, almost no sound. Lightweight and comfortable, 170 grams, light and thin, more comfortable to wear. Full silicone bracket, softer, less pressure, neck size fits. Micro-curved surface design, ergonomic design, fits the skin surface. Soft silicone inner arm pad, skin-friendly soft silicone inner arm pad.
.3D printer kit, direct drive extruder, exclusive design for flexible 3D printing filament TPU. Dual rigid metal guide rails plus double cooling fans equals double guarantee of long-lasting high precision. Easy and fast assembly, it takes about 10 minutes to mount KP3S easily. Flexible magnet sheet for easy first layer adhesion and user safety. No more adhesives to increase adhesion or scrapers. Professional knife sharpener, high-grade whetstone water stone for ensure effective sharpening results. Double-sided sharpening design. Equipped with silica gel non-slip base guarantee the safety sharpening. Widely used for knives, scissors, hand tools, woodworking tools, carving tools, etc. LED ceiling light, shell color, black and white, painting process, will not fade. High brightness, lumen 90-120 lm, W. Big size lamp 48 watts, up to 20 inches in diameter. Ultra thin design, thickness of only 0.9 inch. Better heating diffusion, larger cooling surface, fast heat dissipation. The human body can be safely touched. Vegetable cutter. Mivit vegetable cutter with steel blade, vegetable slicer, potato peeler, carrot cheese grater, vegetable slicer, kitchen accessories. Kitchen helper. This handheld slicer made from food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free ABS plastic offers all the functionality of multiple appliances with changeable stainless blades. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.